In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules for your subreddit on Reddit. Having clear, well-written rules is one of the most important parts of running a healthy community. Rules help set expectations for behavior, keep discussions on track, and make moderation a lot easier for you and any other mods on your team. Let's walk through the process from inside your subreddit. First, make sure you're logged into the account that has moderator permissions for the community you want to edit. Then, go to your subreddit's main page. You can do this by clicking the community name from your sidebar or typing the address directly into your browser. Once you're on your subreddit, look for the moderator tools. On the desktop version of Reddit, you'll usually see a button or link labeled Mod Tools on the right-hand side of the screen or in the top area of the community page. Click on Mod Tools to open your moderation dashboard. Inside the moderation tools, you'll find a list of options that let you configure different aspects of your community. For creating and editing rules, look for the section labeled Rules. Go ahead and click Rules to open your subreddit's rules editor. This is where you define the guidelines that are visible to everyone: members, visitors, and potential new subscribers. These rules will typically appear in your community's About section and also show up in places like the posting flow, where users submit new content. To add a new rule, click the Add Rule button. Reddit will show you a form where you can give your rule a title and a description. The title should be short and clear, something people can read at a glance. For example, a good rule might be no low effort or one-line posts. This tells users right away what kind of content isn't allowed. In the description box, you can go into a bit more detail. You might explain what low effort means in your community, give examples of posts that are not acceptable, and mention any consequences like removal of the post or a temporary ban. After you've written the title and description, review the